In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error in Google Gemini. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're getting this error on your computer while trying to generate charts, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, go ahead and start a new chart. One of the reasons why you are experiencing this is because you are using a thread that is already full, and this is causing this issue. So to fix this, go ahead and click on the sidebar here and then go ahead and choose new chart. Now this will launch a new chart where you can go ahead and enter your request to generate a new chart. In most cases, this should be able to fix any issues that you are facing. However, if this didn't work, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection to make sure that you have stable internet connection before you can go ahead and try out to generate a new chart. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear your browser data. And to do this, depending on your browser, just go ahead and choose on history, and then here you can choose manage history. For this case, I'm on Firefox. You can do the same on any browser. Here you can decide which history you want and then go ahead and clear the whole history that you want. So in most cases, this should fix now your problem and come back to your account and generate a new thread, and you shouldn't face any challenges. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.